The software controls and function keys used for electrodiagnostic testing are organized in three distinct areas called bars. At the top we have the so-called test toolbar. Below the trace area and the result table, we have the quick access bar. And below that we have the bar which contains function keys. We can customize the contents and the display of these bars. Let us start with the test toolbar. This is usually used to display the stimulator settings, filter settings, and so on. It can also contain icons for commonly used functions. Let us say I do not want to have the temperature display on the toolbar, and I would like to add a control for averager. To configure the toolbar, right-click in that area and choose Configure. Removing a control is quite easy. Click on it and drag it off the toolbar. It is now removed. To add a new control, we need to identify it first. Averaging is a part of signal acquisition. Click on Acquisition. Here is a control for averager. Click on it and then drag it to the toolbar. So in this way we can add and remove controls from the toolbar. Once the toolbar is configured, click on the OK button. Notice the new configuration of the toolbar. The quick access bar contains a list of electrodiagnostic procedures that are available. One can quickly go from the current test, which in this case it is motor nerve, to an F wave or a sensory nerve conduction study or an H reflex just by clicking on the quick access bar. This saves us time. The contents of the quick access bar cannot be edited. We can turn it on or off. This is accomplished by clicking on View, then click on Bars. Notice the quick access bar is on. I can turn it off by clicking on it. The quick access bar is now removed. I can add it back by clicking on View, then Bars, and then reselect the quick access bar. The function keys can be programmed in a similar way. Right-click in the function keys area, click on Configure. To remove a function key, click on it and then drag it off the bar. Note that F11 function key is now blank. We can substitute it by another function. Let's say we would like to put the auto compare function key. That's a part of the display menu. Click on Display. Here is the auto compare. Click on it and then drag it over the F11 function key. After configuring all the function keys, click on OK. Having configured the toolbars, we can save the settings by clicking on File and then on Save Test Protocol Setup.